My recent trip to Singapore is not just staying in the most luxurious hotels or watching the Formula One race. It's also about finding the best place to eat in Singapore. But first of all, let me take you to the best place to shop till you drop. Alright, you may ask me, isn't this a Changi Airport? Why am I taking you to the airport? Because the Changi Airport is really the newest place where you could shop till you drop. No, I'm not kidding. Since the jewel of the Changi Airport opened its doors earlier this year, it has become one of the most popular shopping malls for Singaporeans. And there's no excuse for you to tell your friends that you have no time to buy souvenirs before you leave, because all the most local and famous stores like the Lim Chi Wan pork floss shops are here. But everybody came here for one reason, which is of course this out-of-this-world waterfall. Let's get back to our eating business. The first place that I'm going to take you to is a Dempsey Hill, a former barrack which has now become a lifestyle and good eating place. This is Jones & Grocer, an Australian grocery chain serving fresh wild cuisine with an Aussie twist. The place also serves breakfast, and just look at this beautiful latte. And this egg benedict is as good as the one served at 5-star hotels. Alright, this video is about the best place to eat in Singapore, and you will not be satisfied if I'm just taking you to have egg benedict, latte, etc. And so, I'm taking you to the Candlenut. Well, what is this? It's a one-Michelin-starred restaurant serving Peranakan food. The menu we're seeing right now is omakase, which, you're right, is similar to omakase. It's about letting the chef to decide what you should eat. According to the Michelin Guide, influenced by his mother and grandma, the young chef cooks traditional Peranakan fare with a creative twist and an Indonesian touch. You can expect a lot of braised seafood, bakwan soup, as well as some spicy flavors like the satay and the crab curry. But this chocolate ice cream is anything but exotic. Third place I'm taking you to is the Raffles Hotel, which has just undergone an extensive restoration and has only reopened in September. I'm now at the Grand Lobby, where the most traditional British afternoon tea is served. You can expect the best service, best silverware, as well as the best tea and scone. But this hazelnut tart is also divine. But what's more divine than having this beautiful rosé? And these beautiful finger sandwiches and desserts. And of course, no trip to the Raffles Hotel would be complete without marveling at its beautiful landscape and architecture, as well as stopping by its gift shops for its beautiful tea leaves. The fourth place I'm taking you to is the Jiang Nan Chun of the Four Seasons Hotel in Singapore. Although I didn't have the chance to taste their signature dishes like the deep fried chicken with fresh lemon sauce or the wok fried star grouper fillet, I had the chance to taste the set lunch menu, which includes a dim sum combination, barbecue combination, hot and sour soup with lobster, stir-fried Australian scallops and broccoli, wheat vermicelli, and a mango and sago cream with pomelo. Last but definitely not the least, I'm taking you to the Odette, a 3-star Michelin restaurant which is located in the National Gallery, Singapore. According to the Michelin Guide, the restaurant is named after the chef's grandmother because they learned all the best cooking technique from her. Seems moms are always the best cook. The restaurant only has 12 tables, so be prepared and book well in advance. Although it is a French restaurant, you can see from the dishes that it has a strong influence of the Japanese culture, both in terms of the garnishes or the presentation. My favorite dishes are this Murasaki uni. This scallop from the Trondheim Bay of Norway is really divine. You get to see 3 different styles of cooking beetroot, and this signature rosemary smoked organic egg. Can I say no trip to a French restaurant would be complete without foie gras? And can you see some Iranian elements from this BBQ kinky? This Kampot pepper crusted pigeon is the highlight of tonight's dishes. This yuzu tart though was a little bit acidic to me. Alright, what's not to love about these beautifully presented desserts? And what better way to end with this beautiful herbal tea? And don't forget to take away this beautifully presented complimentary homemade jam. And that's all for my Singapore gourmet trip. If you like my videos, please not only like it, but subscribe it and share it with your friends. Until next time, goodbye.